Here we go. What's the, can you do the cow? What's the cow say? Moo. Okay. What's the pig say? Oink, oink, oink. Okay. What's the duck say? Quack, quack. What's the dog say? Roof. What's the kitty cat say? Meow, meow. Hey, what's the bear say? Grrr. What's the horse say? Neigh. Can you say hallelujah? Hallelujah. Moo is the cow. Hey, you want to sing the song, the 5 Little Monkeys? 5 little monkeys sitting in the tree. Then comes the alligator up the tree. Oh, you want to do the alligator? Hey, can you sing the 5 Little Monkeys? How about the... Mommy's doing it.
Teasing Mr. Alligator.
Say 5. Can you do the it? She's not doing it. Oh. Can you say, the itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout? Do your fingers. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. The itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Can you say bye-bye, everybody? Say bye-bye. 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 Say I love you. Blow 'em kissy. Okay.